Hello everyone. Hope you are all safe and sound in your home. So this video is the continuation of previous video. In previous video we learned different operations on set, that is complement of a set, union of a set and intersection of two sets. Right. So in this video we are going to continue our discussion on operation on sets. So in this video we are going to see difference of two sets, symmetric difference of sets, and also some problems. Okay, so first let us recall what is complement of a set. If a set A is given, complement of a set A is denoted by A to the power dash or A to the power C, and complement of a set A is collection of elements other than the elements of set A. Right. Using Venn diagram, we'll recall what is complement. So, if a set A is there, A, U. This is our set A. What will be complement of A? Elements other than elements of A. So we have to neglect these elements and we have to write all other elements. That will be in the universal set, right? Except the elements of A, we have to consider all other elements. This will be A complement. Right. So complement of a set A is a set of collection of all the elements in the universal set other than the elements of A. So next we'll see what is union of two sets. If two sets A and B are there, so if they are disjoint sets, means if there is no common elements between these two sets A and B, we will be having A and B like this. A union B will be combining the elements of A and B. Okay, so we have to consider both the elements in A as well as the elements in B. While writing it as a set, the collection of elements of A and elements of B will be A union B. This is when A and B are disjoint sets. When A and B are overlapping sets, A union B will be collection of elements of A and elements of B. Okay. So this will be A union B. What is intersection of two sets? When two sets A and B are given, if they are disjoint, then A intersection B is nothing. A intersection B is nothing but a collection of common elements between A and B. Okay, so when two sets A and B are disjoint, there is no common element. So A intersection B will be empty. But when they are overlapping sets, when A and B are overlapping sets, they will be having common elements. So collection of the common elements will be A intersection B. Okay, when you see here, this is A and this is B, the common portion is this part. There we will be having elements that will be belonging to A as well as B. So that will be the common elements of A and B. So A intersection B will be like this. Okay. So now we'll see what is difference of two sets. So if two sets A and B are there, A difference B is denoted by this, or we can denote like this. So A difference B is denoted like this. What is A difference B? So elements should be in the set A, but it should not be in set B. Okay, A difference B is the collection of elements and that element should be in A but not in B. So we can in symbol we can write like this. A difference B is equal to collection of all elements X such that X belongs to A and X doesn't belongs to B. So the elements of A difference B should be only in A and it should not be in B. So we'll try to draw a Venn diagram. So we will consider two sets A and B. Okay, let them be overlapping sets. A, B. So what will be A difference B is element should be only in A but it should not be in B. So elements are only in A. So if you draw or shade this part is also for B, right? So if you shade this part of A, then the elements are in B. So you should not shade this part. So A difference B means elements only in A. It should not be in B. Okay, this is the Venn diagram of A difference B. Okay, so now we'll see the definition. So let A and B be two sets. The difference of set A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. Okay, so difference of two sets A and B means A difference B means element should be in A but not in B. Okay, so B difference A. Suppose if we consider B difference A. So element should be in B but not in A. Okay. So in symbol we can write A difference B is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A and X doesn't belongs to B. So how can we write B difference A? B difference A will be equal to set of all Y such that Y belongs to B and Y doesn't belongs to A. So if we take difference of two sets, element should be in the first set and that element should not be in the second set. Okay. So Venn diagram. That is what we have done first, right? So when two sets are overlapping sets, when two sets A and B are overlapping sets, A difference B will be like this. Elements will be in A and elements will not be in B. So this one is the Venn diagram for B difference A when A and B are overlapping sets. Okay, so elements will be in B but elements will not be in A. Okay. So this is Venn diagram for A difference B when A and B are disjoint sets. So when A and B are disjoint set, we have to shade whole A. Okay. So what will be B difference A? A, B. Okay. B difference A means elements will be only in B. So we have to shade only B. Okay. This will be B difference A when A and B are disjoint sets. Okay, so difference of two sets means, that is difference of two sets A and B. A difference B will be the collection of elements only in set A and that element will not be in set B. Okay. We'll see example. If A is equal to -3, -2, 1, 4. And B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A difference B and B difference A. So what is A difference B? Elements in A but not in B. So we'll write A -3, -2, 1, 4. Difference B 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, A difference B means elements in A which are not in B. So we have to consider elements of A. And we have to make sure that those elements are not in B. Okay. So first we'll consider the first element -3. We have to see whether that -3 is in B. -3 is not in B. So we have to consider that. See the second element -2. So when you take -2, it is only in A, not in B. So minus 2 is in A minus B. That is A difference B. Next one is 1. 1 is there in B. Okay. So we have to neglect 1. Then 4 is there in A as well as 4 is there in B. So we have to neglect that also. So A difference B will be equal to set of minus 3 comma minus 2. So now let us find B difference A. B difference A. First write the elements of B. 1, 2, 4. Then elements of A. Minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. Okay. So B difference A means elements, collection of all elements in B but not in A. So we have to consider only the elements of B and we have to make sure that those elements are not in A. So first element is 0. 0 is not there in this set. So B difference A will be having that element 0. Then 1. 1 is there in this set. So we have to neglect 1. Next 2. In B we have 2. In A we have minus 2. Not 2. So 2 is there in B difference A. Next one is 4. 4 is there in B as well as A. So we have to neglect 4. So B difference A will be equal to set of 0 comma 2. So A difference B is this one and B difference A is this one. Okay. Now we'll be seeing note. So A complement will be equal to universal set minus A. So we'll take U minus A. We'll try to draw Venn diagram. Okay. U, A. So elements only in U and not in A. Right. So we have to shade the portions of U except A. This is A. So what is this diagram? This Venn diagram is a Venn diagram of A complement, right? A complement means elements other than elements of A. So U difference A and A complement will be equal. So A complement is equal to U difference A. So second one they have given A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. Okay. First we'll draw Venn diagram of A difference B. How to draw A difference B? When A and B are overlapping set, A difference B will be elements in A but not in B. Right. So A intersection B complement. First we'll draw B complement. B complement means elements other than B. Right. So we take elements of A also. So this will be B complement. Okay. Then A intersection B complement. When you take A will be A, B. A will be this one. We have to shade portions of A. Right. So this is A, this is B complement. We have to find A intersection B complement. That is common elements among A and B complement. Common portion among these two is A. Right. This part. So this is equal to A difference B. So A difference B will be equal to A intersection B complement. Okay. So A difference B will be equal to A intersection B complement. See the next note. A difference A is equal to empty. So we'll draw A. This is Venn diagram of A. So elements in A. Difference A. So removing the elements of A from elements of A. So what will be that? That will be equal to empty. So say next one. A difference empty is equal to A. Obviously, right. From A, if you remove nothing, then it will be same thing, right? So A difference D is equal to A. A difference B is equal to B difference A if and only if A is equal to B. So when A is equal to B, then only A difference B will be equal to B difference A. Or when A difference B is equal to B difference A is equal to B. So when A is equal to B, we'll be having A difference B is equal to empty and B difference A is equal to empty. Because A is equal to B. A minus A is equal to empty. B minus B is equal to empty. So A minus B is equal to, that is A difference B is equal to B difference A if and only if A is equal to B. Okay. So last one, A difference B is equal to A if A intersection B is equal to empty. So when A difference B is A, when these two sets are disjoint, okay, when these two sets are disjoint, then only A difference B will be equal to whole of A. That is when A intersection B is equal to empty. That is, they don't have any common element. Okay, so A difference B is equal to A if A intersection B is equal to empty. So note that A complement is equal to universal set difference set A, and A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. A difference A is equal to empty set. A difference empty set is equal to A, and A difference B is equal to B difference A if and only if A is equal to B. A difference B is equal to A if A intersection B is empty. That is, A and B are disjoint set. Okay. So A difference B means difference of two sets A and B, means elements, collection of elements in A which are not in set B. Okay. So now we will see what is symmetric difference of sets. Okay. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A difference B union B difference A. So to find symmetric difference, first we need to find the difference between two sets, that is A difference B and B difference A. Then we have to union them. Okay. And it is denoted by A difference symmetric difference B. Okay. This small triangle, A symmetric difference B. Okay. So it is denoted by A triangle B, and it is written as asymmetric difference B. So in symbol, A difference B is equal to collection of all elements such that collection of all x such that x belongs to A difference B or x belongs to B difference A. So when we have two sets A and B, A union B will be collection of all elements such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Right. Here we have union of two sets, that is A difference B is one set and B difference A is another set. So A difference B union B difference A will be collection of all x such that x belongs to A difference B or x belongs to B difference A. Okay. So how to draw Venn diagram? First draw Venn diagram of A difference B. A B. A difference B will be this one, right? Elements only in A but not in B. Then draw B difference A. B difference A means elements will be in only B but not in A. So we have to combine these two. So A difference symmetric difference B will be, when we combine these two things, we have to shade this portion as well as this portion. So this will be A symmetric difference B. Right. This portion is shaded and this portion is shaded, and the common portion for A and B is not shaded. Okay. So this will be A symmetric difference B. We'll see examples. A is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 and B is equal to 8, 10, 12. Find A difference B. A symmetric difference B. A symmetric difference B means A difference B union B difference A, right? So first find A difference B. So element should be in A but not in B. When you consider the elements of A, 6. 6 is not there in B, so we have to take 6 in A difference B. 7. 7 is not there in B but in A, so we have to take 7. Next one is 8. 8 is there in B, so we have to neglect 8. 9. 9 is there in A but not in B, so we have to take 9. So A difference B will be equal to 6, 7, 9. Then we have to find B difference A. So elements should be in B but not in A. We have to consider elements of B. Okay, first element of B is 8. Okay, 8 is there in A, so we have to neglect 8. Then 10. 10 is there in B but not in A, so we have to take 10. Next element is 12. 12 is there in B but not in A, so 12. This is B difference A. Okay, so to find A symmetric difference B, we have to union them. What is mean by union? Combining the elements of A difference B and B difference A. Okay, so the elements of A difference B is 6, 7, 9. B difference is 10, 12. So this set will be the asymmetric difference of B. Okay. So asymmetric difference B is equal to union of these two sets. That will be 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. Set of 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. Okay. So Venn diagram of A symmetric difference B. So first we have to draw A difference B, then B difference A, and combining A difference B and B difference A. That is union of A difference B and B difference A. So this is the Venn diagram of asymmetric difference B. Okay. So you have to observe that this portion is not shaded. That is the common portion of A and B will not be there in asymmetric difference B. Okay. What will be symmetric difference of A and A? That is asymmetric difference A. We know that A symmetric difference B will be equal to A difference B union B difference A. So A symmetric A will be equal to A difference A union A difference A, right? And we know that A difference A is empty, union empty set. Why? When you remove, means when you consider elements of A other than the elements of A, there is nothing, right? So empty union empty. So A difference A will be equal to empties. See the second one, A difference B is equal to B difference A. We know that A difference B is equal to A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. Right. So B symmetric difference A is equal to B difference A union A difference B. And while seeing union, we have studied that union is commutative. That is A union B is equal to B union A. Here we have B difference A is union B difference A union is equal to A difference B. This is one set. This is one set. So since union is commutative, we can write this as A difference B union B difference A. So these two are equal. Okay. So see the next one. A symmetric difference B is equal to X belongs to A union B and X doesn't belong to A intersection B. So when you see the Venn diagram, X belongs to A union B, but X is not there in A intersection B, right? So asymmetric difference B will be X will be in A union B and X will not be in A intersection B. Okay. Next one, asymmetric difference B will be equal to A union B difference A intersection B. So we'll use Venn diagram to see visualize this thing. A symmetric difference B will be A union B, but common portions are not shaded. So this is A symmetric difference B. We will draw a Venn diagram of this one, A union B and A intersection B. Difference, we'll find that difference. A union B will be both the things, right? This is A union B. A intersection B will be, A intersection B will be the common portion, right? This is A intersection B. This is A, this is B, and universal set. Okay, so A union B, difference A intersection B. Elements should be in this thing, but this one should not contain these elements, right? That is what difference. So A union B, difference A intersection B will be, this portion should not be shaded. Okay, so this is A union B, difference A intersection B. And you can observe that this and this is same, because we have included all the elements of A and B other than the common elements, right? So A symmetric difference B is equal to A union B, difference A intersection B. Now we'll see some examples. From the Venn diagram, write the elements of A, B, A difference B, B difference A complement, B complement U. So here they have given Venn diagram, and in that Venn diagram they have mentioned elements. Okay, so from this Venn diagram we have to write the elements of these things. First, see A. What are all the elements of A? A, I, U. This is also portion of A, right? So E, O. A, E, I, O, U. These are all the elements of A. Next one is elements of B. This is B. What are the elements in B? B, C, E and O. So elements of B is a set of B, C, E, O. Next, A difference B. What is A difference B? Elements in A that should not be in B. So when you take A, and we have to remove the B portion. Okay, so A difference B will be equal to A, I, U. Or you can write elements that should be in A but not in B, right? When you take A is not there in B. E is there in B, so we have to remove E. Okay, then I is not there in B, so you can write it in A difference B. O is there in A and B, so we have to neglect O. U is not there in B, so A difference B will be A, I, U. B difference A. Similarly, if you can find B difference A, that should be only in B, that is B, C, B and C. Okay, then A complement. Elements other than the elements of A. What are the elements of A? A, E, I, O, U. Elements other than these things in this set, that is B, C, D, G. B, C, D, G. Then B complement. Elements other than B, C, E, O. That is elements other than B, C, E, O. What are all the other elements? A, I, U, D, G. Right. So A, D, G, I, U. This is B complement. Elements of universal set. The whole thing, this whole set is universal set, right? So all the elements will be in U. So A, B, C, D, E, G, I, O, U. All the elements will be the elements of U. Okay. Next, draw the Venn diagram and shade the region representing the following sets. We have to draw the Venn diagram for this one. A complement, A difference B the complement, and A union B complement. We know to draw Venn diagram of A complement. So we have to take set A and universal set. A complement means elements other than the elements of A, right? We have to shade the region other than the region of A. This is A complement. How to draw Venn diagram of A difference B whole complement? First, we have to draw A difference B. When A and B are two overlapping sets, A difference B is elements in A but elements not in B. Right here. So, elements in A and elements not in B. This will be A difference B. So, A difference B complement means elements other than this elements of A difference B, right? So, other than this region, we have to shade other region. So, how to do that? I will do it. So, we have to shade other region other than A difference B. Okay, only that portion of A difference B is left empty. Okay, so this will be A difference B, the whole complement. Fine. Then A union B whole complement. So how to find A union B complement? First we have to draw the Venn diagram of A union B. Okay, A union B will be elements of A, B. We have to shade both A and B. Okay, what will be A union B complement? We have to consider the elements other than the elements here, right? This is A union B. A union B complement will be other remaining things. We have to leave A union B. So this will be A union B whole complement. Okay, so here we have A union B and A union B complement. We are not shading only the part A union B. Okay, we are shading portions other than the portions of A union B. That will be A union B complement. Okay. So, this is A complement. To find A difference B complement, first we have to draw A difference B, then complement of A difference B. To find A union B complement, we have to first draw A union B, then complement of A union B. So this is your exercise problem. Using the set symbol, write down the expression for the shaded region in the following. So here they have given three figures. We have to write them using set symbols. Okay. So consider this figure. Here we have two sets X and Y. Okay. And the region of Y is shaded and the common region is not shaded. Right. This means elements are in Y but elements are not in X. So elements are in Y but elements not in X. So what this will be? This will be Y difference X, right? So when A difference B is there, A elements are in only A but not in B. So this will be Y difference X. See the second one, X, Y portions not shaded and the other portions than X and Y are shaded. So this will be X union Y, the whole complement, right? So this portion will be X union Y and other than this portion, all other portions are shaded. That is, elements are only in universal set, not in X union Y. So this will be X union Y, the whole complement, right? See this third figure, this one. What will be this one? Only the common portion of X and Y is not shaded. Then this is X symmetric difference Y, right? Okay. I hope you all understood these things and try to answer the assignment question. Assignment is from exercise 1.3. So just try to recall what is complement, union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Then try to answer these questions. Okay, this is very easy to answer and very fun to solve. And here sixth one I have done. Remaining things are very easy, you can do. Okay, see the seventh one, you have to draw the Venn diagram of these things. Okay, so try to do this. Thank you, we'll meet in next video.